During our lives, we evolve through 8 stages when it comes to our consciousness. And, as we evolve through each of these stages, all previous levels of consciousness are still active and effective, so we are able to keep using all stages in a dynamic way. Let us discuss these 8 stages. Level 1. Survival. The first level is the level of existence and certainty. At this level, life equals survival. And the focus is on, I want to live. This level is concerned with instinctual drives of survival of the species and immediate gratification of the very basic needs of food, water, and safety. Therefore, this level is sensory-driven. It's like a level of newborn babies, who will automatically move up to the next level. Level 2. Security and magic. On this level, the world is mysterious and frightening. This level is highly motivated by certainty, and it's fear-based. At this level, life equals sacrifice. Level 3. Power. That's the stage when they start to say no to everything. The core motivation at this level is about doing what you want and being who you are, regardless of the consequences. So the third level of consciousness is egocentric, impulsive, dominant, and control-driven. The focus is on, I want to be in charge. At this level, life is battle. It's about power and beating the competition. But some people stay on this level forever and become head of a gang or the mafia. Therefore, it's also called the level of the power gods, where older people run for success at all costs. Level 4. Absolute truth. On this level, there is obedience to rightful authority. Good work will be rewarded, and evil will be punished. So if you break the rules and don't behave, you have to bear the consequences. This means the focus is on creating meaning, discipline, morality, and rules. Plus, the focus is on the task, not the person. And at this level, life is test. So, we can be at this stage for a while, but some people stay here forever. Because at this level, people find purpose in their life. So they join, for example, the Marines, or the Navy SEALs. Or they join a religion. This stage has values, order, rules, and regulations. And the people at this level have a desire to do right and to do good. They are likely to dedicate themselves completely, more or less extreme. Level 5. Success. At this level, life is game, and people are highly self-motivated to reach their individual goals and to reach status, success, and recognition. The focus is on being pragmatic, taking risks, and doing whatever it takes to get ahead and to get the job done. This level of thinking rationalizes the means to reach the ends, and learning takes place through self-experimentation and observing what has worked for others. Therefore, people on this level are capable of seeing many ways to solve a problem. Level 6. Love. When people experience too much pain from competition and disconnection from others at the level 5, they reach level 6. So this leads to a transition, where level of consciousness is inner peace and unity, are valued over materialism. At this level, life is about connection and love. And feelings become more important than rational thought and materialism. It's about acceptance, harmony, peace, happiness, equality, and believing that all humans are loving, good, and can learn to appreciate one another. The culture focuses on building a tolerant community that is accepting of differences and diversity. Level 7. Harmony. When expecting that all humans are equally good, it creates more problems than it solves, which happens at level 6. A person reaches level of consciousness, he wants to contribute to the world, and they want to produce something that lasts. They want to express themselves and experience self-actualization, but never at the expense of others. To be able to contribute to the world around them, they fly like an eagle and see the bigger picture. At this level, life equals system. They are able to see from a helicopter view, and perspective that is larger than level 1 to 6 combined. A person at this stage knows that there is a time and place for everything. They are highly flexible in their thinking. Level 8. Bigger picture. Not many people reach this level of gravity at the end of their lives. This is the level of the awakened soul and spiritual leaders such as the Dalai Lama, Mother Teresa, and Nelson Mandela. At this level, life is about unity. They know that even the unknown is part of the whole. People are aware that all actions and non-actions impact all beings, all planets, the entire cosmos. The order is understood within the chaos of the universe. People at this level see the earth and all living beings as one and understand that sacrifices are necessary by all for life to continue.